Okay, folks, so the Alabama Riverboat Brawl has been taking over my timeline, your news feeds, and has been the topic of discussion in group chats around the world. But while we're all marveling at how some people came together, I couldn't help but see some of the amazing content that has been created over these past couple of days. So I wanted to share some of the content repurposing genius that I've seen take place over the past couple of days. Let's get into it. All right, so what the Riverboat Brawl teaches us about content repurposing is the following. From this one incident alone, you all can attest to the fact that you've seen the video reposted multiple times. It's been remixed with people giving their opinions about what happened and what took place. There's been reaction videos from people actually watching it for the first time and responding to different parts of the video. And there's also been responses with people sharing their opinions about the whole event in and of itself. There have been a number of different carousels from different popular Instagram pages that put a compilation of different response videos or memes together, pictures, and even screenshots in one carousel post, so you all can enjoy that. There's been many podcasts. Even the Ricky Smiley radio show was on with the chair from the particular incident. So that has caused a lot of different audio things to take place, as well as them sharing their thoughts about the event. Now, people are also making trending sounds and also music from this content. Now, there's also memes and merchandise. People are already making shirts, and memes are flowing into my text message box. I think my phone just rang just now with another one. There's been a number of different newspaper articles, be it digital or print, that have been broadcasted all over the world. Emails from people either sending articles that they have received or notifying people who don't live in the States. Text messages with people sending funny memes or updates about the particular event. There's been an unofficial holiday said that August 5th is whatever they're going to call it, but they're already taking claim that the next August 5th they're going to have a celebration in commemoration of this particular event that took place. There's also been pictures and screenshots of people zooming in and showing different angles, and even some Crocs that were misplaced or realigned during the particular brawl. Now, from the things I just mentioned, those are over 10 ways that this particular incident or event has been repurposed. I had to interrupt really quick just to let you know that if you click the link in the description, I will give you access to a free repurposing training where you can create your own repurposing strategy. So could you imagine if you just took 2 or 3 of these different formats and incorporated into your particular content plan or strategy? You have things that are like video, you have carousels, audio, music, merchandise, newspaper or articles, blogs, emails, text messages. You can make your own events and discounts, maybe your birthday or something like that. Also pictures and screenshots. These are a number of different pieces of content that we can create for ourselves, for our brands, for our products. So on this channel, I'll be sharing a lot more about content creation and also content repurposing to help you allow your content to have a longer shelf life, so that you don't just have a one and done situation, and you can have a lot more experiences to share with your audience rather than just posting one time and being finished. So remember, events are going to happen all over the place, but I want us to make sure that we also take the lessons from it and see how we can take those lessons and incorporate it into our personal brands and our businesses to help us become a better people. Check out a couple of these videos right here where I teach you a little bit more about how to repurpose content.